Hi, today I would like to share you a customized tube furnace, which is mainly consists of 5 parts: the furnace body, the processing tube, gas system, steam generation device, and the temperature control system. This tube furnace is used for pyrolysis experiments, designed with 2 or more gas inlets and combined with the steam generator to decompose the material by controlling gas flowing rate and its temperature. The gas inlet pipes have individual isolated temperature zones, which can effectively reduce the temperature difference. When each gas pipe heated to the target temperature and entered to the final heating zone, it will be mixed and heated to the required temperature and then holding for material reaction. Thus, pyrolysis experiments can be achieved. The outer steel shell is processed with pickling and first fitting, environment powder coating on the surface, anti-oxidation and corrosion resistance. With a built-in cooling fan, the surface temperature is below 45 Celsius degree. Total heating length 1,500 mm, which divided into 3 zones in a Y shape. Each zone temperature could be controlled independently. The heating chamber built with vacuum-fitted ceramic fiber material consists of 6 semicircular chambers, tight coupling, embedded with HRE heating wire. Max working temperature up to 1,200 Celsius degree. The processing tube is made of Inconel 600 with temperature resistance of 1,100 Celsius degree and pressure resistance of 10 bar, welded in Y shape, which fits perfectly with the furnace chamber. The gas system is equipped with the 2-channel gas supply device, reserved pressure gauge, gas inlet and outlet, dual flow meter in parallel connection, adjustable flow rate with measuring range of 0.1 liter to 10 liter per minute. The steam generation device is an essential tool for the pyrolysis experiment. The small electric heating steam generator rated evaporation capacity 4 kg per hour, saturated steam temperature 150 Celsius degree, water tank volume 18 liters, 3 kW, pressure 4 bar, can be fully automatic start or stop heating, water replacement to maintain the furnace pressure and continuous gas supply requirements. There are 6 temperature controllers on the panel, 3 for temperature control and the other 3 for measuring the real-time temperature of the medium passing through the reaction tube, which facilitates precise control and analysis of the reaction process. The furnace is equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen panel. It can display 6 groups of temperatures in real time and can preset 16 groups of heating golden lines with automatic tuning function. Temperature data could be stored and downloaded in Excel format within 1 month. The heating programs can be run with 1 key. In addition, our company produces tube furnaces with 2-zone, 3-zone, multi-zone, vertical, rotary, and tilting, continuous production, etc., which can meet various heat treatment needs. Program Sum provides 18 months warranty for our products, free parts supplied. Sent by 24 hours online technical support. Customization could be accepted. Welcome to contact. Thank you.